Oh, damn, girl. You're looking fine.
Hi.
That chick, dude.
Oh, that's your chick, Holmes?
Yeah, it is.
Damn, girl, what do you say you ditch this fool and come get loco with me and my cousins?
Go away. You're weird.
Whatever, Holmes. Oh, damn, girl. I just came shopping for some jalapenos and shit, but if I knew you was gonna be here, I would've put on my nice stickies. I know, girl. I miss you too and shit. But as soon as I get out of federal prison, I'm coming straight to your doors. Hold up, girl. I have to call you back. Damn, girl, you're looking fine. Damn. Shit. Oh, damn, girl, I see you. The name's Carlos.
Hi.
But my homeboys call me Scrappy, you know what I'm saying? You girls down to kick it later or something?
No, I have to work all day tomorrow. I think.
Come on, girl. We can take a cruise in the lowrider. I just want you to know that I respect you and shit. Hey, Holmes. I know that you're with your girl and shit, but I just wanted to let you know that whatever happened down in Mexico's in the past, and I respect you.
Thank you. Thank you. Have a good one.
Damn, girl. What do you say? You be my new homegirl or something? Girl, I could pick you up with my lowrider. Damn, girl, how you get that booty in them jeans?
I work out quite a bit.
Damn, keep it up. Hey, Holmes. I could see that you're with your girl and shit, but I just wanted to let you know that whatever happened down in Mexico, it's in the past. And I respect you. I'm a bounce, homie.